Hi friends, welcome back to ITCPK. Want to learn ethical hacking or cybersecurity? Kali Linux is the perfect tool set, and the safest way to try it is in VirtualBox. No need to touch your main system. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. It's quick, clean, and completely safe. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we begin, we need to check if virtualization is enabled or not. For that, open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. Click on CPU from the left panel. Check Virtualization. It should say Enabled. If it says Disabled, you need to enable it from BIOS. To do that, go to your system manufacturer's website for more information. A quick guide for most systems. Restart your PC and press the BIOS key repeatedly, usually Dell, Escape, F2, or F10 depending on your laptop or PC brand. Once inside BIOS or UEFI, look for a tab like Advanced CPU Configuration or System Configuration. Find the setting named Intel VDX, AMDV, or Virtualization Technology. Set it to Enabled. Save and exit, usually F10. After reboot, virtualization will be enabled, and VirtualBox will run Kali Linux smoothly. Now, head to virtualbox.org and download the latest version of VirtualBox for your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Since I am using Windows, I will download for Windows hosts. Next, we have to download the extension pack. Click Accept and Download button, and it will start downloading. Both of these will take some time for downloading, depends on your internet speed. Let's fast forward this step for saving time. VirtualBox Setup and Extension Pack has been downloaded. Let's move to kali.org and download the ISO file of Kali. Choose the installer image. Some of you may think, why not Virtual Machines version? Because it is a step-by-step tutorial about installing Kali Linux in Virtual Machine, and installer image gives us full control over features we need. Make sure to select x86-64 version and click Download. Now we have everything ready to go. Double-click the VirtualBox installer to initiate the installation process. Click Next. I accept. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. It's done. Click Finish to launch the VirtualBox. You can choose Basic mode for easy operations. First, we need to install the extension pack. Click Install and select path where we downloaded the extension pack. Click Install and a license form should appear. Scroll down and click I agree. It's done. Now we are ready to create our Kali Linux virtual machine. Click New to create a virtual machine. Name it Kali or whatever you want. Select the folder location where our virtual machine files will be stored. I've created a folder in my F drive which has enough space for VM. Select Linux as a type. Select Debian as a subtype. And version should be Debian 64-bit. Click Next. Now allocate some RAM. Minimum 2 GB is recommended, but you can give more for smooth performance. I will go with 2 GB because I have only 6 GB physical memory. I will allow 2 CPUs. You can allow more according to your system. Click Next. Set the size for virtual hard disk. 25 GB is recommended. Click Next and click Finish to exit this window. Now before starting, click this settings gear. Click Advanced and set Shared Clipboard to bidirectional. And drag and drop also bidirectional. System is already set. Click Display and set video memory to max 128 megabytes. Click Storage. Under Controller IDE, click Empty. Here choose the Kali Linux ISO we previously downloaded. In Audio section, nothing to change. In Network setting, you can leave it as NAT or Bridged. I will recommend Bridged. In USB setting, you can leave it default. You can change anything anytime whenever you need it. No worries. Now everything is set up, let's start our virtual machine. Here you will see two options at top. Select Graphical Install and hit Enter. Select your language and click Continue. Select location and click Continue. Select keyboard layout, click Continue. Now type hostname. I will leave it as Kali, click Continue. Leave the domain name empty and click Continue. Here, set a username. You can set any you like. Next, set username for your account. I will leave it as ITCPK. Set a strong password for your account. Click Continue. Set time zone and click Continue. Here I will select Guided Partitioning for an entire disk. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Here select All-in-One Partition recommended, and I would recommend you too. Now click Continue to finish partitioning. Choose Yes to write changes to disks and click Continue. Now it will take some time to proceed to next step. Now select the desktop environment. Default XFCE is recommended. You may experience performance issues with GNOME or KDE Plasma. You may select these if you have a high-end PC. Otherwise, leave it to default and click Continue. Now it will take 20 to 50 minutes, depending on your system speed and configuration. Be patient and let it complete. Select Yes to install the Grub bootloader. Select VirtualBox hard drive to install the bootloader. Installation is complete. Click Continue to reboot the virtual machine. Select Kali G and U and hit Enter. You can switch to full screen mode by clicking full screen option under View tab or by pressing right ctrl+F button on your keyboard. Now we have to type our username and password to log in that we created earlier during installation. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Once Kali Linux boots up, you're greeted with a clean and minimal desktop interface. By default, it uses the XFCE desktop environment, lightweight, fast, and perfect for performance. On the top bar, you'll find the Applications menu. This is where all the powerful tools are grouped into categories like information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application testing, and more. You'll also notice the terminal shortcut, a vital tool for almost everything in Kali. Now, before we start enjoying our Kali Linux virtual environment, we need to run some essential commands for optimal performance. First, test internet connectivity by pinging google.com. The internet is working fine. To stop the ping command, press ctrl+c. Next command is sudo apt update to update Kali. Type your password and hit enter. Next is cat/etc/os release to check system details. Here you can see the version is 2025.1. I will attach some more essential commands in the description of this video. That's it for now. You have Kali Linux running safely in a virtual machine, perfect for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity practice, without affecting your main system. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more tutorials like this.